Hi guys, welcome back to Shed and welcome back to another episode on the Honda Bentley CD200, or how to empty your bank account quickly kind of bike. Anyway, today we're going to replace the exhaust. So in the last video I ended up riding, I think, we'll have a check on the clocks, weren't very far, 28 miles. So we've done 28 miles on the bike, and now, I don't know if you can see, but I've now got two holes in the exhaust. Great. So, I've been emptying the bank account again. So, I bought a couple of new trumpets, one for each side. Now, actually, not as expensive as you think. So, they were, if that focuses, £39 a side. Not too bad at all, actually. I mean, they are repros. I could have got second-hand ones off of eBay that were half rotten for more money. So, I mean, they've only got to last a season. But yeah, we'll get these old rotters off and we'll get these new ones fitted. Okay, so I've got the new exhaust in position, new gasket in there. These are the collars which go either side of the exhaust clamp, and as that goes up that pushes against the collar of the exhaust and then clamps it down. Yeah, not easy. You need about 3 pairs of hands to put these collars on, but hopefully shouldn't be too much of a job. But yeah, gasket's in there. I'll get this snugged down. Well, that's the exhaust bolted in. Time will tell whether it's sealed. For pattern parts, not too bad. Normally pattern exhausts are a pain in the arse to fit, but yeah, this one's gone on alright. Now let's get on to the other side, the one with holes in it. Right, so that's the exhaust off. Although we have to stop playing today. The exhaust collars are absolutely ruined, hardly anything left. The other side, apart from just a little bit of straightening, we're absolutely fine. So, yeah, I'm going to have to wait for new collars. I didn't think I'd need them. I wish I'd ordered them at the time now. Yeah, couple of quid. So, yeah. We'll pick this up when the new parts arrive. Right, we're back where we left off. So, postman's been. These were the 2 rotten collars, and I bought a generic kit that does a cut the bike. So, there's some right ones in there, and there's some short ones in there, some wrong ones. I bought 2 sets because I'm thinking the ones in the other side weren't this rotten, but I did have to hammer them straight. It might be nice to actually start with brand new ones. I'm not going to use these clamps, they're slightly thinner than the original, but they've actually got nicer gaskets as well. So yeah, let's get this trumpet back on the Bentley. That's the exhaust on this side, complete. Was a bit of a bugger to fit. It's quite ill-fitting. I mean, it is a pattern part. I've had the bike started, stunk the shed out. It doesn't leak from the front. Quite throaty, which is good. Off camera, I fitted the top box, which I've stolen off the cub. Looks all right. I don't know if you can tell on camera, but the rack is really bent. Oh, I think it looks great, to be honest. So this is the bike ready for its adventure. I've got a month or so to put some miles on the bike. I need to trust it. Like I say, it's got to get me all the way to Snowdonia and back. Well, this is a bit of a story. So that's now black with some stickers on it. It was blue. Yeah, I'm quite happy with it. all ready to ride. So yeah, only a short video today. Hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next one.